Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys on all the sweet and positive feedback I received on my last video. Take this video as a sneak peek to the apartment tour I'll do for you guys as soon as the holiday madness ends. I hope you guys like it. Before I start rearranging and decorating, I need to clean my apartment. Not gonna lie, I've been very busy and very lazy lately, so I have quite a few things to attend to. I'm going to start by lighting what's left of my fall-scented candle and making myself a nice cup of coffee. Won't be showing you guys everything that I cleaned on this day because I don't know about you, but I'm most excited about the Christmas decorating. I started my cleaning this day in the kitchen. I did the dishes and gave my stove some much needed loving. Then I took out the trash and took it into the restroom so I could marry both of those together. Once in the restroom, I started by putting everything where it belongs, cleaning the counter and the mirrors and taking out the trash. On most days, I wake up and make my bed, so that's done. I'm going to be using these pool noodles to help my boots stand up inside my closet. As you saw in the beginning of this video, I like to use my vanity chair to accumulate all of the clean laundry that I'm too lazy to put away. Because it requires about 3 to 5 business days to put away, am I right? Am I the only person who sets their handbags on the floor as soon as they're done using them, instead of like actually hanging them up or putting them away where they belong? Now on this particular day, my vanity was in pretty good shape. Could be because I haven't done my makeup just yet, but we'll go with I'm really neat and organized and every day and all the time. Once I cleared everything away, I took a disinfecting wipe to remove any grime and makeup stuck to the surface. Then I'm going to use a glass cleaner that I bought at Costco on a microfiber cloth to give the surface some shine. This stuff obviously works amazing on glass and mirrors, but it also works really great on other surfaces. Now that everything's clean, we can start decorating. I'm going to start off by decorating the entryway of my apartment. As you can see, my fall decor is still up, so I'm going to clear everything off and replace it with some Christmas pieces I found. You'll see throughout the video that I end up rearranging a few things, and I really love the way it came out. All the Christmas entryway decorations and the flowers I got from either the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree, and then I just printed a festive quote to place in my frame. I also found this wreath at the 99-cent store and decided to add to it by using this garland I got on sale at Michael's. On my dining table, the tree in the glass container from the Dollar Tree and the ornaments are from both the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree. I decided I wanted a lightly flocked tree this year, so I took some white spray paint and gave my tree a go. The theme for my tree was a lot of metallics and snowflakes. I had some snowflakes from previous years, but I found some more at the 99-cent store. I I wasn't 110% satisfied, so I went to the store and bought some white and pink ornaments and some ribbon to add to the tree. And I love the way it turned out. I also bought some pillow inserts and some pillow covers from Amazon for my couches and added some throw blankets for a cozy feel. Also at the 99-cent store, I found this snowflake garland and these clear icicles, and I just hung them up on some string lights. On my coffee table, I added the gold placemat from Target, another clear container with more ornaments from the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store, another tinsel tree from the Dollar Tree, and a scented candle from TJ Maxx. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did and subscribe if you're new here. Make sure to check out any links in the information box below, and I will talk to you guys in a brand new video. Bye!